Aren't these just so beautiful?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good, ain't home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write.
Hey you guys, good morning. Welcome back to another Vlogtober episode. So today the weather's really nice actually. It's really cool, but it's not like super cold to the point where I need like a full jacket, like a sweater is like perfect. Currently doing now, I'm in a space that I'll be hosting my podcast in for my network called the Diamond Club Network. If you don't follow the page, go follow it. It's brand new and it's still building. I'm also going to list the Instagram here at the bottom, but the network is all about building community and it's a space curated for networking. So I'm actually really excited because I'm hosting the first episode this month in October and I have my first 2 guests. So what I'm doing now is kind of putting together like all the questions that I want to ask because I really just want everything to flow really smooth. So yeah, I'm excited. I'll show you guys like the full space. It's a nice room, but it's really cute. Once I get like the lighting and everything together, it'll be like really moody. So yeah, we have a lot of good things happening in October. So again, like if you're not following the Diamond Club Network on Instagram or YouTube, please go follow me because we are like a growing page. But yeah, I'm really excited and I have something else in the works that I'll share with you guys a little bit later. But yeah, today's a really good day. I'm also going to the farmer's market. I need some more like fall flowers in my home. Spring and summer are over and I really want my home to feel like fall for the next few months until Christmas. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, just running some errands. So we're gonna do that, but let me show you guys the space that we're gonna have like the podcast in. So this is like the backdrop, really cute. It's really chic actually. I love the black look and then like the neutral couch because I think if I wear like certain colors, it'll really bring everything out. And I just love like a really minimal look. So I just love like the backdrop. It's so cute. So I'll show you like the rest. So yeah, like overall the space is really cute. It's small, but it's enough space for a podcast. So I love it. It's perfect for me. So yeah, I'm gonna finish typing up these questions for my first guest and then yeah, I think we're gonna go to the farmer's market and find some, I'm hoping that I can find some really cute flowers for my vase because my kitchen looks so bland right now. So yeah, we're gonna do that.
Acting like we wasn't more than a summer flex. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry, bust the milk. Me a paper towel.
I'm like sitting here writing these questions and I don't think people understand like how much work goes into like a podcast because I'm on question 4 and I'm just like, does this flow properly? Like, am I asking the right questions? So this is definitely a process, but I really do love the process and I'm excited to like get started because this is something that I've been wanting to do for like a couple of years, but I just never had the space to do it, the time, and now I do. And I'm very excited. So I've been doing like this new series on TikTok, like my fall outfit of the day. What was this? my fall outfit of the day. And I've been doing like little fit checks and stuff, and they have been received well, so I think I might continue to do it for the rest of October too, just for like my TikTok content. But yeah, those are going really well, and I want to keep doing it for the whole entire month. So I'm gonna do it until October 31st, and I'm excited. But yeah, you guys, I think I'm done for so yeah, I think I'm done like with my questions for the podcast. So I'm about to go because I want to go to the farmers market before they close. So we are about to do that. It's like the perfect weather today.
Hope you know what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
So I didn't find anything at the farmers market. It was actually really smaller than what I expected it to be, but I found some apple cider, so we're gonna make a spiked apple cider cocktail later. So I have to go get the ingredients and stuff for it, but that's what we're gonna do today.
Killers don't tell. Shut down my mark of the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna call you and get a little maybe. In the meantime, get some me time.
I got my flowers. They're so pretty. It really gives fall, and it's definitely gonna brighten up my kitchen. They just are so pretty. I love them. I just love flowers. Like, you can just never go wrong having the right bouquet of flowers. These are so pretty and so fall. So I'm back in the house. I'm about to arrange the flowers, and then I'm gonna make the spiked cider. So I'm just like so hyped. But I need to like make my bed and like fix my room up a little bit, because I did not do that before I left, and it looks crazy. But I need to put on like some comfortable shorts or something first, because I have on this jean skirt and it's not that comfortable right now. So I'm like looking for a pair of shorts. But I also went to the market and I found some really good beef short ribs. So we're gonna make some beef short ribs tonight with some mashed potatoes, and I have to figure out which vegetable. But I've been really like craving like a comfort meal, and like during fall, that's like my go-to comfort meal, like some beef ribs, some mashed potatoes with the gravy. It'd just be so good. I like these. These are like super comfy too. These are like my favorite little shorts. So yeah, I'll put those on. But yeah, I can't wait to cook because I'm like starving. I didn't have breakfast. I had like water, and that was it. So yeah, let me make up my bed because that looks crazy. I have the flowers here, so we're about to arrange them and put them in this white vase that I have. I had like a silver one before, but I felt like I like the way the white goes and then like with that pop of color. So that's what we're gonna do. So, whew. Oh, and by the way, I actually got a new scent air freshener too, and a lot of people are always saying how they don't like fall scents, they stink, but I really love me a fall scent. I'm sorry, a fall candle. This one by Febreze is the pumpkin roll. It smells just like fall, like you're baking cookies or like a cake or something. It smells so good. And I'm eating some lunch too. All right. I'm gonna take them out of the wrapping. Hold on, I need to get my scissors. I'm also not a florist, so please don't come on here talking about how I'm cutting the stems wrong. I just want it to look pretty. I don't really care, to be completely honest. All right, so I'm cutting this, cutting the wrapping. Aren't these just so beautiful? Like, they're literally stunning. And then it comes with like the flour boost to keep them fresh. So I'm gonna pour some of this in there and then pour some of my water and mix it.
If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really want to know you all. I really want to show you off. Fuck God, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga, don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga, that ain't good game, homie, sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I don't you what you want. Oh, what it got this good and then it's on. Alright. You can get it.
I'm still not done, but they're coming along so pretty. I kind of want the stems a little bit shorter though. All right, y'all, so we're about to make the spiked apple cider cocktail. I'm gonna do like a small one first just to see how it tastes and if I'm feeling it, and if I like it, then I'll make another round tonight. So to make it, we're gonna use some all natural apple cider. I got this from the farmer's market. You're gonna need an apple because we're gonna cut up some apple slices. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon juice in there, and we're also gonna use some bourbon. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is just pour a little bit of this bourbon in. And no, I'm not measuring, but it's like a little, it's literally like a little shot. So I'm just gonna add a little bit in there because I'm also a lightweight and I know my limit, so that's enough. After that, we're gonna cut up some lemon, squeeze some lemon juice in there, give that a good mix. Then we're gonna add in the apple cider and cut us up some apple slices, and we're gonna see how it tastes. All right, so we're about to try our spiked apple cider. It's so good. No, it's like really, really good. It's sweet, it's a little cinnamony, but overall like 10 out of 10. It's definitely gonna make me another one later, but it was delicious. Top tier. So cheers to that. Now I'm about to start on the ribs and get started on dinner. All right, y'all, so I started on dinner. I seasoned my ribs with a really good marinade, and now I'm just putting them in the Dutch oven with some chicken broth. I'm gonna add in some carrots, some onion, garlic, the works, some peppers and everything. Let this cook down for about like 3 hours, and I promise y'all they're gonna come out so freaking good. Hey you guys, my dinner was so good, but I'm really tired, so I'm about to take my makeup off, shower, and get ready to get in the bed, watch some TV, and get ready for tomorrow. But I had a really good day. It was very chill, but nonetheless it was a really good day, and I'm just excited for more beautiful fall days to come, because today was like awesome. It was like the perfect weather too, which was really nice. So yeah, I'm about to take this makeup off and get in the shower because I'm tired. But I will see you guys in the next vlog.
Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you. When you're in the mood for empathy, it's blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne.
When it's been a few hours, when it felt like days.